Okay guys, so updates on the Land Cruiser. I have a new master cylinder installed, but I'm still waiting for my brake parts, my brake lines, uh, the rubber ones, before I can bleed it and see which cylinders are leaking. So in the meantime, wanted to show you what I'm working on, which is the alternator plug. So when I got this, as you can see, it's missing the plug to the alternator as well as the ground. And like I said, I found a company that sells the correct plug terminal to go in there. And while I was trying to, while I'm waiting for the other brake parts, I went ahead and tried to figure out the pinout for the said plug, right? So there's the plug. That's where the wires would go in. And in the process of looking at my other 70s vintage Toyota and photos that people sent me, this is how this plug is pinned out. So white with blue wire to the left, white with green stripe to the right, and the white wire with a black stripe goes to the bottom, and there's your smiley face. So I will cut you off, and I will bring you back when I have all this properly wired. So give me a few minutes here. Alright, so I'm installing the last clip here. And excuse the sniffly nose. Gotta love allergies. Excuse that. Alright, so plug goes in this way. Yeah. So blue, green, black at the bottom. Black goes at the bottom. Clicks in. Making sure I have the right colors here. Green and blue. Alright. Yep, green and blue. Alright. So green on the right side. Clicks in. And blue on the left. And voila. Alright, there you go. Installed. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've installed the the wires into that plug. So now I've also installed the belt for the water pump alternator, and now this is ready to be plugged in. And while I was working on the plugs here, my last box of rubber brake lines arrived. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get that done this afternoon / evening, and see and bleed it and see which brake cylinders need to be replaced. But yeah, anyways, I still need to push this all the way in, but as you can see, it's done. Basically done. Alright, on to the next project.